Well, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone never turn off. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top right, go to Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to where it says About Phone. Then under here, we want to go to Build Number and tap this like 4 or 5 times, maybe 5 times to unlock the developer mode. Then we can go back. Then we want to go to System and Update. And there should be an option for developer mode somewhere under here. Developer options. Turn this on the top. So you can see it's turned on. And then once we go to this, there is an option under the developer options to unlock a screen time setting that will keep our phone on. So I accidentally got rid of developer mode. So I can just go back here and I can turn it back on. Alright, I'm a developer. Let's go back over here. Now, if we go to the developer options, scroll on down, it's called Stay Awake. Turn this on, and your screen will never turn off. It says keep screen on when charging. So, very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.